Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma led the 79th Independence Day celebrations in Meghalaya by hoisting the national flag and taking the Rashtriya salute at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Shillong. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister paid rich tribute to the valiant heroes whose sacrifices won India its freedom. He further honored the men and women in uniform whose continued dedication safeguards the sovereignty and dignity of the nation. Conrad Sangma reminded citizens that Independence Day was not only an occasion for celebration but also for reflection. He urged upon the people to uphold the values of courage and selflessness that shaped the country's freedom movement and to carry forward that legacy with pride and responsibility.
Rashtriya salute! Salame! Such!
The parade commander for today's parade is Sri Ivan Benson Dengdor, the Additional Superintendent of Police Operations, East Khasi Hills District, an alumnus of St. Edmund's School and Northeastern Police Academy.
No one in the last 15 years had imagined that government could peacefully execute a relocation plan. This government's sincerity, empathy, and persistence has achieved what was thought of as unachievable. After multiple rounds of consultation with vendors, we successfully relocated the 407 vendors of Kandailad to the Muda shopping complex last month. To ensure smooth transition, the government provided dedicated vending kiosks and relocation support of rupees 20,000 to each of these vendors. Our efforts in places like Yodo and Kandailad reflect a broader commitment to inclusive governance and improving urban areas. Initiatives for strengthening the urban infrastructure are being implemented in Shillong, Tura, Jawai, and other towns. Iconic projects including the Meghalaya Secretariat Complex in New Shillong, additional Secretariat Complex in Tura, and the Integrated Administrative Complex in Jawai have been initiated. New Shillong City, which was only an idea till 5 years ago, is becoming a reality with several new projects like IT Park Phase 2, Unity Mall, Skills and Innovation Hub, Heliport, and Working Women's Hostel being executed. I especially want to thank the communities of Sauli, Maudiandiang, Maupat, Maukanu, and Tindring, who are working with the government in making New Shillong a reality. The two Kongs representing Meghalaya on Shark Tank India. Through the efforts of such women leaders and entrepreneurs, the traditional crafts like sericulture and weaving of the Rindia silk are flourishing and creating employment in rural areas. The recent recognition of GI tag for Rindia silk further strengthens this movement. Our women leaders are also excelling in grassroots governance. Owing to our landmark legislation in 2021, reserving seats for women in village employment councils, women's representation has seen a remarkable rise from just 300 functionaries before to over 4,500 women leaders today. Friends, Meghalaya's greatest strength today lies in our dynamic and passionate youth. Across fields, many inspiring youth have shown that greatness can be achieved right here in Meghalaya. We are especially proud of youth like Pinchnai Kurba, who won a historic bronze medal in canoe slalom at 38th National Games, Meghalaya's first in a decade. Friends, addressing you all today from this iconic JN Stadium gives me a sense of immense pride. I remember almost 30 years back that I had come here as a small child, 7 years, 8 years old, with my late father, late P.S. Sangma, when he was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. And in this ground, he had given the speech for Independence Day, and I had the opportunity to be here at that moment. And today, this particular field, this particular stadium has been renovated. And this newly developed field is today recognized as one of the premier fields of play in the country. We have successfully hosted prestigious events such as the AFC qualifiers, ISL matches, and the historic Durand Cup. A world-class turf protection system is in place, and the stadium has truly transformed into a multi-purpose venue. It is now equipped to host not only top-tier sporting events, but also concerts, government functions, and celebrations like today's. The government remains committed to developing world-class sports infrastructure. We are also building India's dedicated largest football stadium in New Shillong.
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives us immense pride to you to present the 35 marching contingents in this year's Independence Day celebrations. May I remind one and all that this is the largest ever participation of contingents in the Independence Day celebrations in the capital city of Shillong. Arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is gestures Independence Day Parade Commander Shri Ivan Benson Dingdo, followed by the second in command, Sub-Inspector Shri Karan Pachwal of the Meghalaya Police. Arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is the Border Security Force, led by its commander, Sub-Inspector Rahul Susedia. Following closely is the contingent of the Central Reserve Police Force, led by Inspector KP Vaipay. Arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is the East Khasi Hills Special Operation Team of the Meghalaya Police. Arriving at the saluting dais now and to take the salute is the contingent of the 1st MLP Battalion, led by its commander ASI Yashwan Singh. Arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is the 5th IRBN Pasighat, led by its commander Sub-Inspector Isaac Borang. Arriving at the saluting dais now to take the salute is the brass band of the Border Security Force and the Border Wing Home Guards. Ladies and gentlemen, arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is the NCC Boys Contingent, led by Senior Under Officer Deep Shantar Dev Barma. Following the NCC Boys Contingent and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute is the NCC Girls Contingent, led by its commander Ibadabyang Kharshieng. Taking the salute now is the Bharat Scouts and Guides Contingent, led by its commander Elrich D. Shilla. Leading the school's contingent in this year's Independence Day Parade and arriving to take the salute is the contingent of Loreto Convent School, led by its commander Trisha Sunar, flag bearer Eden H. Rumnong, and plakat bearer Risa Mapi Thaba. Following the contingent of Loreto Convent and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is Sacred Heart Girls High Secondary School, led by its commander Jenny Fiba Marbanyang, flag bearer Sharon Khardev Sao, plakat bearer Darishisha Marbanyang. Following the Sacred Heart Girls High Secondary School is Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School, however represented by the girls. Their commander is Monica Banbetlin Lingdo, flag bearer Wanrishisha Rinyao, plakat bearer Labyang Hun Nongthinger. Arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is Maukhan District Christian Multipurpose High Secondary School, led by its commander Rishan Mame Khongsit. Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is Auxilium Higher Secondary School, led by its commander Hadjaujam Jenny Chongloy. To take the salute now is the contingent of Holy Cross Higher Secondary School, led by its commander Animalist D. Shira. Arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is the contingent of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, led by its commander Nazarene Mebayada Dengdo. Following the contingent of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is Stephen Memorial Secondary School, Mauro, led by its commander Ila Wankamen Thaba. Ladies and gentlemen, arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is the contingent of St. Joseph's Secondary School, Jayao, Shillong, led by its commander, Daniela Walang. Following St. Joseph's and arriving at the saluting dais is BSF Girls Higher Secondary School, led by its commander, Dafila Bet S. Suting. Arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is the contingent of St. Gabriel's High Secondary School, Upper Shillong, led by its commander, Teresa Villa Majau. Following St. Gabriel's Higher Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute is Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School, led by its commander, Debojit Paul. Following Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute is the contingent of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, led by its commander, Azarel Subba. Following St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute is Hubert Memorial Secondary School, Umpling, led by its commander, Elizabeth Dingdo. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the band contingent of St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School, led by its commander, Themlal Biek Gangte. Following the St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School band and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute is Pine Mound School, Shillong, led by its commander, Idarisa L. Warjre. Following the contingent from Pine Mound and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute is VK Bajoria High Secondary School, led by Nangbyang Saphi Mukhim. Taking the salute now is the contingent of Sinot Higher Secondary School, led by its commander, Raflisha War. Arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is BSF Boys Senior Secondary School, led by Adrian Gurung. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Sacred Heart Boys High Secondary School marching band, led by its commander, Ferrybert Imle. Arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is All Saints Higher Secondary School, Shillong, led by its commander, Monarch M. Nongdhar. Arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is Brookside Adventist High Secondary School, led by its commander, Ahan Bacha R. Marag. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Auxilium Higher Secondary School marching band. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, the final contingent in this year's Independence Day celebrations, the Assam Rifles Public School Horse Riding Contingent led by Commander Elena Paliyal. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a thunderous applause for the striking display of the parade contingents at the 79th Independence Day celebrations here in Shillong, the result of untiring efforts put in by the contingents, the drill masters, the teachers in charge, the officers of the Meghalaya Police, the staff and the officers of the Deputy Commissioner's Police, braving the rains these past few days. We acknowledge sincerely and we express our indebtedness to each one of you for making this day truly memorable. I once again request each one of you to kindly give a rousing applause to all the contingents participating in this year's Independence Day Parade.